Nature of sin. Nature of sin.
Nature of sin, societal sin point of view. This topic is so hard to discuss in our society today because it brings conviction in their lives. According to Don Turson, no sin is committed in isolation. All sin have a social impact. Everything is interrelated. Sin against God and others impact our lives personally, just as cold, personal sin have a social impact. Just like Hitler of Nazi Germany, Saddam Hussein of Iraq, Kim Jong-un of North Korea, and other world leaders who has their own agenda. And their decision made a terrible impact to the whole nation. In this article of the evolutionary psychology, it says, sin makes entrance to the society. Just like what happened in Sodom and Gomorrah when God destroyed the whole city because of the immorality among the people. In Romans 1:18 it says, "The wrath of God is being revealed from heaven against all godlessness and wickedness of people, who suppresses the truth by their wickedness." And that is why societal sin is extended beyond human understanding. For to be carnally minded is death, but to be spiritually minded is life and peace. Because the carnal mind is enmity against God, for it is not subjected to the law of God, nor indeed can be. So then, they that are in flesh cannot please God. Sin affects our relationship with God. Our estrangement distorts how we relate God, ourselves, and others, leading to many types of destructions. 7 social sins. Politics without principles. Wealth without work. Pleasure without conscience. Knowledge without character. Commerce without morality. Science without humanity. And worship without sacrifice. Basically, societal sin is when the society accept or adopt sin in their community. Either you're not the one who's sinning, but since you are part of that society, you are subjected on that sin. Since media right now is promoting immorality in this society, in the issue of abortion, corruption, rebellion, idolatry, and same-sex marriage, I would like to end with a question. How will the church react or respond to an increasingly open-minded society as more and more sin becomes the mainstream?
Nature of sin.